Hello everyone, welcome to part 3 of this comprehensive MySQL course. Today we'll learn how to insert data to the table. In the part 2 of this series, we have already learned how to create table, right? So let's just learn how to insert data to those table. Very first, let's check first our database. So show databases. Our database is students, so use students. Okay, we are in students. Do we have any table? Let's check it first. Show tables. We don't have, so let's create a table first. We just deleted our table in the last lecture, so we need to create one. So that create table and give it a name like personal. Okay, then student ID. It should be an integer. It cannot be null. It should have auto increment feature. Alright. Now the name. So that should be a burger, right? 100 character should be enough. Then should father name, again burger. Spelling should be checked. Okay, 100, and just to enter the primary key, right? Primary key is student ID, and close the parenthesis, hit enter. Okay, we have does not exist student. We did a little bit mistake here, so let's check it here. We need to fix that one. Student, we need to delete this extra D. Okay, we are good to go. STU, sorry, it should be STU. STU, student, right? Now let's go at the end of this query. We are hit enter, table created. So let's check the column. Show columns from personnel. So these are our column, right? Student ID, name and father name. We just need to know how to enter data, to insert data to this column, right? So it's pretty basic. Let's first we'll learn how to enter a single student data, and then we'll learn how to enter multiple student data in a single command. So let's learn how to enter data in a single student. So insert into where the table name, right? So personal, insert into personal, then table name, all the table name. So my table name is name, right? I missed student ID because that are auto increment. Okay, it will increment by auto, so we don't need it. Then comma father name, okay, close the parenthesis, and then the values. Since name and father name are integer are string, we need to cover them within a inverted comma, right? So let's give it a name is Oliver. So student name is Oliver, close the inverted comma, and then father name is Shane Mac. Okay, Shane Mac. Close the parenthesis, comma, and if I hit the enter button, it will just insert the data for a single student Oliver. Now hit enter. It's saying okay, query okay, one row affected. Now let's check whether data is inverted. Okay, so select star from personnel, the table name. Now this star means everything. Okay, select everything from personnel. We'll run several methods, several complex method of running select query in this video as well as our upcoming videos. So let's just for run the query of all, right? Select everything from personnel, hit enter, and as you can see we have one student name is Oliver, father name is Shane Mac, right? Now we already learned how to enter single student info. Now let's learn how we can enter multiple student info in a single insert query. So how do I do that? Okay, hit the up arrow again, and then okay, we are in insert. Okay, we need to change this student name though. All right, let's actually delete up to the values. Okay, so my second student name should be MySQL, and his father name should be Jordan. Alright, now close the parenthesis since we will enter multiple information. So hit enter, excuse me, and then comma. Okay, again get some other information like another student name should be called, okay, comma, then father name, let's say Anderson, close the parenthesis, is enter, comma, again start inverted comma, another name can be one. Okay, so father name can be what? Father name can be Steeler. Alright, and let's put another information. Another name can be Alex. Father name could be, okay, father name, what's father name? Father name, let's say Atkinson. Atkinson. Alright, close the parenthesis. Now okay, we are good up to this, then put the semicolon, hit enter. 4 rows should be affected, right? It is here. Now let's run the select query. So select everything from personnel and hit enter. Okay, we have 5 student information, 1 2 3 4 5. There's the name of the student, there the father name of this student. So this is how actually you can enter actual data to the table by using the insert query in MySQL. Now we learn something about select feature. Okay, as we have already seen, select, how you can select all this by using the star sign. It is actually saying something like that. So let's see how we can achieve the same thing without using the star sign. Select to student id comma name comma father name, and then from personal. Okay, this query does the exact same thing what we have done here. So this star sign means select everything, okay, all the column. Now imagine there are hundreds of columns, so it's not good practice to write all of the headline of this column, right? So instead of this writing all the column, we can use the single star sign symbol here. Now there are even more select technique. Let's just say I don't need the father name, all I need just the student name. So how can I do this? So it's pretty simple, and I guess you have already understand what I'm gonna do. So select name, only the name. So from the table name, so personal, my table name is personal. Okay, hit enter. Now see, only the name I selected here, right? So this is how you can select something, select query. And this is all about this video about how to insert data and how you can run the select query in various way. In the uh, upcoming part 4 lecture of this series, I am gonna show you even much more complex select query, and um, upcoming 4 video I'll show you how you can update and delete this raw data. So for example, you will just inserted this data and you just understand, okay, I have made a mistake here, my instead of writing Michael I write Mitchell, right? So I need to update it. So in the next lecture I will show you how you can update this data, even how you can delete a single data of a student in the upcoming 4. Now upcoming 4 will be a much more complex insert query, okay, much more complex select query, and I will discuss about much more complex update query. So I actually request you to go through this insert and select query again and again, so that you can get used to it and make you comfortable. Even you can take much more column like father name, mother name, date of birth, and marital status, even something extra, okay, then insert information like this way and make you comfortable. All right, so and that's all for today. Thank you.